Hello, YouTube. I'm Vince White. I'm an employment attorney. On this channel, we answer publicly posted questions from YouTube users, getting folks the answers they need from an employment attorney for free. We have a question here from Lover of Dragons 6644. That reminds me of the Annie McCaffrey Dragons of Pern series that I read as a lad. Big fan of the Fire Lizards. Very fun series. I think her son may have taken it up now. I don't know. But anyways, I digress. I'm glad to hear you love dragons. Dragons are fantastic magical beasts. Excuse me. Now, question from Lover of Dragons 6644 is as such. Question: I have a strong case for disability discrimination. I had a reasonable accommodation for a number of years, and then it was terminated. So the person was not terminated, but the reasonable accommodation was terminated, I believe. It was terminated with no undue hardship. It's federal. I don't know if that means it's filed with the EEOC or the federal court system, but it's federal. And mediation is planned. My question is, should I proceed with mediation at this time? It is early in the process. It is EEO. Okay, so it's with the EEOC. So you have the EEOC mediation. So listen, EEOC mediators are not all created equal. There's some amazing ones. Deborah Reich comes to mind. She is fantastic. There's some that I would equate to dog doo-doo. Just uncaring monoliths of incompetence who walk into a room and will say or do anything to potentially get a deal. And that sucks if you get assigned those people. However, I will say this. Mediate early and often. And I have videos on the channel. There's an entire mediation preparation playlist that I would recommend to you. I'm not going to link it down below because I'm lazy. And you can go ahead and search the channel. But there's a mediation preparation playlist. And there's a lot of concepts in there about getting information out of mediation, anchoring, right? Getting the other side to come to a certain number. It's then kind of difficult for them during negotiations to back down off that number, so there's value there. If people want to get in a room and talk about giving you money for a day, I would urge you, engage in that process, especially if represented by counsel. I think that has value. I would almost always, I would say 80-90% of the time, unless a mediation is 100% dead, like you know for a fact, no value is going to come out of a mediation, I would urge you to engage in it. If I catch an associate skirting mediation, it's like, case isn't going to settle. You're like, well, okay. Yeah, but there's still good that can come from it, right? Maybe. Maybe not. Listen, if opposing counsel's coming, no authority, best offer's $2,000, and you're at $700,000, and they're like, I don't even have authority, I haven't even looked at the case yet. Okay, maybe cancel that mediation. Maybe that mediation is a waste of time. Conversely, if listen, opposing counsel's coming with $50K, and your client earned, I don't know, $25K, and you know for a fact opposing counsel is going to come in with 2 years, you know, $50K to open this mediation, but your client happens to be at $30 million for no apparent reason, no mathematical reason, no reason founded in the law whatsoever, and maybe also your client likes to scream and get aggressive, I would say, yeah, maybe don't do that mediation, right? But when I give you these examples, what I'm really stressing here is like, these are extremes. It is rare that I'm going to tell you not to engage in mediation. Mediate early, mediate often, learn what you can learn, keep a record of what you learn, keep an eye out for what's shared document-wise, evidence-wise, witness-wise during the mediation, and keep a log of the back and forth about money because it can serve you later. Very, very much so. That is my thought here. I would urge you to go, or at least send your attorney. If you have counsel, you don't even have to go. Send your counsel with authority if you want. You might want to go. It might be a valuable process for you. That being said, if you don't have the time, that's what counsel's for. Get them in there, right? If this was helpful, like, subscribe, comment down below. Share our channel so it may grow. Good luck at your mediation. I hope you get all the money. Take care.